How do you say hello in Portuguese? The word hello in Portuguese is olá, 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 tudo bem? Olá, tudo bem? Hello, all good? Olá, chamo-me João. Olá, chamo-me João. Hello, my name is João. Olá, como estás? Olá, como estás? Hello, how are you? You can use hola in both formal and informal situations. It's a friendly, easy-to-use word, and it works any time of day. You might also hear bom dia, which can mean good morning or good day, and boa tarde, which means good afternoon or good evening. Olá, pessoal. Olá, pessoal. Hello, everyone. Olá, mãe. Olá, mãe. Hello, mum. Olá e bem-vindo. Olá e bem-vindo. Hello and welcome. So if you want to say hello in Portuguese, you can say olá. And if you want to learn to speak Portuguese, you can get my course 3-Minute Portuguese by going to www.3minlanguages.com. Use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Obrigado.